If you've ever accidentally deleted an important design project and felt that sinking feeling in your stomach, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your files back safely, step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar of your screen. Now scroll all the way down until you see an option labeled Trash. This is Canva's temporary holding area for anything you've deleted. Even though these files are marked as deleted, they're not gone forever, at least not yet. Go ahead and click Trash to open it. You'll now see a list or grid of all the designs you've recently deleted. Take a moment to browse through them. Canva's visual thumbnails make it easy to spot the design you're looking for. Once you've found the file you want to recover, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice 3 small dots appear in the top corner of the file's preview. Click those dots. This will open a small drop-down menu. From here, simply click Restore. That's it. Canva will instantly move your file back to its original location just like it was before you deleted it. No extra steps, no stress. Now, a quick but important reminder. Canva doesn't keep deleted files forever. Depending on their data retention policy, items in the trash are automatically cleared out after a certain time. So if you know you need something restored, don't wait too long to check your trash folder. And here's a bonus tip. If you're working on big projects or client designs, make it a habit to download or duplicate your important work regularly. That way, you'll always have a backup ready to go, even if something unexpected happens. And there you have it, a simple, updated way to recover deleted files in Canva's updated version. Whether it's a business presentation, a social media post, or a personal design, you can now get your work back in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Canva tip or update. Thanks for watching, and here's to restoring your creativity effortlessly.